Saving for a rainy day, a wise tradition explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very common but intriguing phrase, save for a rainy day. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these idiomatic expressions can really help you sound like a native speaker. So, let's unpack what it means to save for a rainy day, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, save for a rainy day, is an idiom that advises us to save money or resources for a time when they might be urgently needed. Interestingly, the rainy day here is metaphorical, referring not to the weather but to future times of hardship or need. The wisdom in this saying is timeless, emphasizing the importance of foresight and preparedness. While the exact origins of save for a rainy day are a bit murky, it's believed to have been around for centuries. This phrase embodies a universal principle found in many cultures, the importance of saving and being cautious with resources. By understanding its historical context, learners can appreciate the depth and universality of this advice. Incorporating idiomatic expressions like, save for a rainy day, into your speech can make your English sound more fluent and natural. Here's an example of how to use it. Even though I really want to buy the new phone, I've decided to save that money for a rainy day. This shows you're thinking ahead and choosing to be prepared for unforeseen expenses instead of making an immediate purchase. Other cultures and languages have similar expressions, highlighting the universal wisdom of saving for future uncertainties. For example, putting something aside for a rainy day, or keeping a nest egg, conveys similar meanings. Recognizing these variations can enrich your understanding and usage of English in a global context. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and wisdom of save for a rainy day. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about connecting more deeply with the culture and nuances of the language. We hope this video has shed light on this popular saying and inspired you to be a little more prepared for whatever the future holds. Until next time, keep learning and keep saving for those rainy days.